Let's do shots. Yeah, you ever been to a bar or at a party or something and somebody invariably always says that, let's do shots. Well, if you are a bartender, you can pour them individually. I did that back in the day. This is something that was provided to me by a company. It's called Dolphin Siphon, and the company is Zcvtbye, so I guess I don't even know how to pronounce that. Of course, this is made in China, but what this does is it fills 6 shot glasses at once. And I have not unboxed this yet. I haven't even tried it out. So we're going to take this out and play with it. So what do we got here? We got a how to use. Styrofoam. Oh, it comes with shot glasses. I didn't know it did. So I won't need these. Set them off to the side. Out of there. Of course, I'll have to do some unwrapping here. Okay, got everything unpacked here. I could see this really being some fun at a wedding reception, especially if I was a lot younger. I had to read the instructions here on how this works and everything. I was originally going to use tequila to do this, but since I'm sporting several broken ribs on my back and I'm taking oxycodone, alcohol is not a good idea, so we're going to be doing water. I'm using a whiskey bottle here, but that's just water in there. So what you do here is you fill this up until it reaches the bottom of that little plastic umbrella in there. Like so. And you have this little thing here, it's called a peg top. There's a little steel ball in there, and what this will do, it has a magnet on it. And I haven't tried this yet, we're going to see what happens. But when you put this on top, it raises that steel ball, then fills all 6 of these shot glasses at once. And I guess I better take that off and make it stop. Okay, so got 6 shot glasses there full of whatever liquor you choose. So this has got a little feature on it, and it takes 3 AAA batteries in the bottom. It comes with a little remote. This is called an anti-cheating toasting light. So I can push a number on here. Let me turn it on first. I can push a number on this, and it'll start going around in circles there. Well, then whoever is holding this can hit the little stop button, and that person is the one that has to make the toast. So it's kind of a neat little thing here. Like I said, I could see this being a real hit at a wedding reception, especially with a bridal party. I used to be a DJ in my younger years, and I saw a lot of these kind of, let's do shots things and stuff like that. In fact, I was at a wedding reception just this past summer where they had a stump the bartender thing, and of course I had to get in on that too to try to stump him. But then if you couldn't stump him, then you had to do shots, and believe me, I'm getting a little old for that. So anyway, this is called the Dolphin Siphon, and it was provided to me to demonstrate, and which I've done here. I wish I could actually use this and partake in some of that, but can't do that right now. But I'll put a link in the description on where to get a hold of one of these, and like I said, it's a neat little gadget, I guess you could call it. So you could have some real fun with that. So, yeah, little party thing there. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps my channel. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. And this is a little different from what I usually do, but I couldn't kind of pass this up and look neat. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger in the shop. We'll see you in the next one.